Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your headphones Philips with your PC. You have to start by press one time at the Windows button on your keyboard. Then write Bluetooth. And if you see Bluetooth and other devices, you need to press at this line or click Enter. Now click a device button at the right top. If you have Windows 10, you will have this button at the top. And in this window, select Bluetooth. Then we need to enter to Brink mode. So to enter Brink mode, you need to turn on your headphones. At the right ear cup, near to the USB-C port, we have power button. Press and hold this button until the LED light start flashing white and blue, like what I have right now. So your headphones should be turned off, and then you turn on them and enter to Brink mode. After that, you will see them at the device list, and you need to click at your headphones and then click on. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!